Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install dynamic sequential lights on your side mirror. So I want to thank DMP Car Designs for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in buying these lights, use the link in the description below and use the discount code FLEX at checkout. So these lights will fit multiple different Mercedes vehicles, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install it on a Mercedes C-Class. There's two versions that you can buy. Both will have the orange turn signals, but one will have a blue startup light and one will have a white startup light. And what I mean by startup light is when you unlock your car, the blue light will turn on, and then as soon as you get in and start your car, it will shut off, and then your orange turn signals will work whenever you use your turn signals. And it's the same thing if you buy the white version. If you unlock your car, the lights will turn white first, and then as soon as you start your car and start driving, the light comes off, and then when you use your turn signal, the orange turn signals will operate. So let me walk you through how to remove the housing for the side mirror, and then I'll show you the actual brand new dynamic turn signals from DMP Car Design and how to install them and wire them. So the first step in removing the housing is make sure that your mirror is parallel with the frame of the actual side mirror housing. Next, you want to pull out on the bottom while pulling up on the entire housing. You might need a little force, but it will come off if you pull straight up. So here's what you get inside the kit. You get a passenger side and a driver's side. They're really nice. As you can see, they're already smoked compared to the stock version. You also get a screwdriver to remove the screws, and you get a trim removal tool. So now we're going to use the screwdriver to remove this screw here and this screw here, and we're just going to unclip the lights right from the housing. Once you have the brand new dynamic signals installed on your housing, you can easily put it back onto your car and start using it if you want just the amber turn signals. However, if you want the blue starting light or the white starting light, you will need to wire up these two wires that are part of the dynamic turn signals. So to wire them up, there's three different methods. The first method is extending that wire and running it to your door panels to a 12-volt source. That gets a little complicated. You're going to need a test light to figure out which wire in your door panel provides a 12-volt power source. Option 2 is if you have motorized side mirrors, you can actually tap into the 12-volt that powers up those side mirrors. So when you start your car, the mirrors open up, it's basically powering up, and it can power that startup light. Here's a quick video of Daniel from DMP Car Design installing the wire by tapping into the 12-volt for the motorized mirrors.
So this you have to connect to the motorized of the flip side mirror. This two is the power for the side mirror to flip. And there is two. This is for the open power, this is for the closed power. So we can test. We can use a test pen to test. And when we unlock, when the door is open, you have the power. So that means it's the same with your LED light. Right now we use something to peel off the wire to get the copper and just connect the red wire to the signal power.
So the last option is to tap into your puddle lights. So puddle lights are the lights that are on the bottom of your side mirrors if your car came with it, that turns on when you unlock your vehicle. This is how I installed it because my wife doesn't have motorized side mirrors, but she does have the puddle lights in her side mirrors. First step is to remove the bulb from its housing. Then remove the bulb from its actual socket. Now take the wire from the dynamic turn signals and stick it into one side of the actual socket. Do not stick it in the center or you will short out the actual puddle lights. Now stick the bulb back into the socket and that will hold that wire in place. Install the bulb back into the housing. And now take the entire housing of the side mirror and put it back into place and you're done. So now that everything's installed, this is how it operates. Check it out. And for you guys that's wondering what the blue looks like, here's a clip of the blue in action. So with the side mirror housing removed from my wife's car, I decided to update the puddle lights to color changing lights that you can control using a remote. And there you have it, another cool product from DMP Car Design. Definitely use a link in the description and use my code FLEX for a discount. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.